just thought I'd show you my grocery haul, just to help people to help you guys if you're doing plant-based diet or starch, just to see what I do, get some ideas. So I'm in Canada and I go to the superstore, which is like Loblaws, typically, but a lot of this stuff is generally available in most places. So let's go through this. This is PC Blue Menu, which is sort of their healthy selection of products. Extra firm tofu, so that's my tofu scramble. I also put this in an Indian dish. I cut it up into squares. So we have grapes, green grapes, organic. These are bananas that, you know, obviously managing the ripeness, sometimes they get too ripe. These are the ones I have right now, and they're getting pretty ripe. So, you know, you want to keep getting ones that are kind of on the green side, just to have a range. So bananas I use on cereal, oatmeal, sometimes a substitute for baking when they're ripe, banana bread, or just to, you know, I don't do a lot of baking, and in smoothies as well. Roma tomatoes, those I put chop up tomatoes on tofu scramble. Red pepper, that's in pasta a lot of times, pasta sauce. Carrots, so I use that in soups. Just grate them a bit and chop them up for stir fries and soups. Same with onions, pasta sauce. Onions and garlic and green pepper or red pepper is kind of my base for a lot of things, especially pasta sauces. This is the soy milk that I get. It's organic, unsweetened. So cereal, a lot of times I'm having cereal. So this is the shredded wheat. It was on sale post spoon size shredded wheat. So this is almost, other than shredded wheat and oatmeal, probably one of the only cereals that, you know, as far as cereals go, that has no sugar added. It's pretty crazy when you look in most stores. Every cereal pretty much has sugar in it. And when I have cereal, I'll put some raw oats in there as well, just for fun. So that's where I use the soy milk, and also in smoothies. I don't have a huge smoothie. I just have a small one with kale and turmeric and berries and stuff. So it's a sort of a green smoothie mostly. So that's what I've got. Frozen leafy greens. This is kale, spinach, and collard greens. It's really convenient now to have frozen, especially in the winter now in Canada where I don't have my own kale. But normally I have dinosaur kale that I'm growing. So in my pasta sauce, I use crushed tomatoes. This is generic. I mean, I buy different types depending on if they're on sale. Tomato paste. And I use fire roasted tomatoes. There's a three combo deal for my pasta sauce. I'll often put in these crushed red pepper flakes, so they're just to give it some heat. Mostly I use this for pasta sauce. Cremini mushrooms, so I'm going to chop those up in stir fries. You can put that in a tofu scramble if you want. That's what I use it for mostly. When I have cereal, I use a bunch of berries. I use, let's see here, raspberries, strawberry. These are sliced. I defrost them in the fridge a lot of times, a day or two ahead of time, to get a nice juice. And blueberries. So frozen is amazing. I like to buy these. They last a long time, though fruit goes bad pretty quickly, and it's not great quality a lot of times, up here at least. These are California mix, so that's in a soup. I'll throw in rice vermicelli. This with, you know, I'll throw in extra broccoli. I'll throw in peas, frozen peas, chopped up an onion, so it's really easy to make soup. And I use veggie stock or veggie broth if you have that. Let's see, what else do I have? That's almost about it. One other thing, so I was having a lot of whole wheat pasta, but occasionally I get semolina, which is, this is rigatoni. And I'm not too worried because I mix in a lot of things with my stir fries. Even if I have basmati rice, I'll mix in tons of vegetables. If my soup has rice vermicelli noodles, I'll have tons of like the veggies I just showed. With pasta, I've got the tomato sauce, onions, carrots. Onions and garlic and green peppers and stuff. Oh yeah, here's one more thing, edamame. So these go into stir fries. Edamame has 11 grams of protein in a half a cup. So because I've been doing bodybuilding, as I've shown in my videos, full body training, generally about 3 times a week. And I'm trying to build muscle and some of the techniques that I use is basically requiring a little bit more protein than you could get from rice and potatoes, like as your staple. So I throw peas, I throw edamame into stir fries, peas into soups, and I eat more beans, like black beans and chili, burritos, like with refried beans, stuff like that.